Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and I'm out at Sandal Key, Hernando County's first lagoon community, and today we're touring the 1511 floor plan by KB Home. Let's go check it out. As you come in, it's a wide open concept living space. You have your dining space over here, part of the home, the kitchen, a nice large center island with breakfast bar seating. Now this model has white cabinetry. You can design and choose different colors with this builder, from the flooring to the cabinets to the carpet to the tile. And then you have this nice spacious living room here. You got two chairs over here, got space for a nice sized couch and a large flat screen TV. All right, we're gonna go check out the owner's suite, which is gonna be off the kitchen here to my left. So as you come in, you got a nice spacious bedroom, nice walk-in closet to the left. You have a large walk-in closet, so you'll have space for all your clothes. You got a large king-size bed here, two big nightstands, and I love all the natural light coming from these two large windows. Now we're gonna head into the ensuite bathroom. So you have a vanity, dual sinks, and then around the corner here, you have a nice tub shower combo, nice tile. Again, you can customize that, and a large linen closet. We're heading out of the ensuite bathroom. We're gonna go check out the rest of the house. This is gonna be your secondary bathroom. You have a nice large vanity here, tub shower combo. We're heading out of the bathroom and we're gonna go into the secondary room. So in this model, they have this secondary bedroom set up as a crafting room, and it's got a nice small little walk-in closet with a window. Across from that room, we're heading into the third bedroom here. This is a good sized room. It's got a nice window bringing in natural light and a small walk-in closet. Last but not least, the laundry room. You have space for a washer and dryer. You got the hookups here. You could do shelving. You probably even add some cabinets. All right, and back to the living space. This is where the family will be gathering. If you're interested in this home or touring the Sandal Key community, give me a call, 352-488-9393. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.